Welcome to Corporal's Corner. Today we're talking about water filtration using the Grayl Geopress. Stick around, with a great show for you. The number one way to disinfect water, according to the CDC, is to find some type of metal container and simply boil the water. Boiling the water kills or renders inert the viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and parasites. Now the water could still look like crap, smell like crap, and taste like crap, but it's considered safe. Now sometimes it might not be convenient to light a fire. Other times you might be in a situation where you can't get a fire. Let's say it's raining outside for 5 days in hurricane conditions, or you're simply passing through an area with a burn ban. What do? Well, that's where filtration comes into play. Now, filtration will actually remove the viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and parasites, making the water not only fit for consumption, but also making it look good, taste good, and smell good as well. So on that note, let's go ahead and test out a new product I'm very excited about called the Geopress by Grayl. The Geopress by Grayl is a 24-ounce wide-mouth bottle that is designed to capture inorganic material like a magnet. Dirty water is then forced through a 1-micron filter cartridge where an ion exchange permanently binds the pathogens while activated carbon absorbs chemicals, heavy metals, flavors, and odors. Now the filter is replaceable, but it's good for about 350 presses, which comes out to around 250 liters or 65 gallons, while maintaining a flow rate of 5 liters per minute. Now using this bottle filter is very simple, very straightforward. All you got to do is approach your questionable water source, take out your bottle, detach the outer bottle from the inner bottle, make sure that your filter is locked in place. You hear it lock. Go ahead and crack your lid. Fill your outer container to the line right here. Insert your filter. And just like a coffee press, push down. In around 5 to 8 seconds, the bottle's full and you're good to go. Welcome back. The Geopress is outstanding. It also comes in a variety of colors, and it's perfect for both urban and field settings. And if this isn't good enough, They also make an ultralight 16-ounce backpacker version as well. Now, as usual, both the Geopress and the ultralight are found on my Amazon influencer page. I'll toss a link inside the description box. Please do me that favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.